Meet Sparks. He is a tiny, sparkly dragon. Sparks holds a big, yummy cupcake. Oh no! His nose starts to tickle. He takes a big breath. It is coming. Kaboom! Sparks sneezes big magic fire. Yummy candy rain falls all over the room. Wow! The cupcake is now a giant cake. Good job, Sparks. Time to eat the treat.